Today, we're checking out 25 EDC gear and gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon, from compact tools that pack a punch to clever gadgets that make life easier, smarter, and way more fun. And the best part? These aren't just for collectors. These are practical, budget-friendly finds that you'll actually want to use every day. Stick around till the end, because gadget number 25 is an absolute game changer that belongs in every pocket. Let's jump right in. Pack 8 handy tools into one sleek design with the Jueachy Plus. This compact multi-tool includes a bottle opener, nail puller, and staple remover, wrench, ruler, serrated edge, scoring point, plus Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, all in a single device. At just 0.72 inches wide and 2.65 inches tall, it's the perfect fit for your keychain, delivering everyday convenience without adding bulk. From tightening a loose screw to popping open a cold drink or slicing into a new package, this tool keeps you ready for on-the-spot tasks anytime. Its grooved grip edge provides precision and control, making every task easier. Enjoy 2-in-1 functionality with this versatile everyday carry tool. Combining precision-tipped tweezers with a sharp pocket knife, it's designed to handle a variety of daily tasks with ease. Engineered with safety locking devices, both tools can be opened and used quickly with just one hand, giving you secure, reliable performance every time. Compact and lightweight, this multi-tool easily attaches to your keychain, so it's always within reach. From removing splinters to cutting rope or opening packages, this durable stainless steel tool is built to last. Corrosion-resistant and ready for adventure, it's the perfect companion for camping, hiking, traveling, cycling, or everyday use. Be prepared for any adventure with the XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit. Packed with essential tools like a 5-in-1 parachute cord bracelet, built-in compass, whistle, and thermal blanket, this all-in-one kit equips you to handle multiple emergency scenarios with ease. Compact and lightweight, the waterproof and shockproof case measures just 8.2 by 5.1 by 2.7 inches and weighs only 1.8 pounds. With its protective foam interior, it's easy to carry and fits perfectly in your car, backpack, or camping gear. Whether you're hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, or exploring the outdoors, this kit is designed to keep you safe, secure, and prepared. Made from premium corrosion-resistant titanium alloy, this multi-tool delivers unbeatable durability without the extra weight. Perfect for everyday carry in any weather or environment. Designed for convenience, it combines an adjustable wrench with integrated flat and Phillips screwdrivers, giving you an all-in-one solution for quick home fixes, office adjustments, or outdoor repairs. No bulky toolkits required. Ultra compact and stylish, this multi-tool easily clips onto your keychain, pocket, or pouch. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or camping, it's always ready when you need it. Venture with confidence using the MODL Infinity tool, a flexible, wearable multi-tool built to handle anything life throws your way. Strong, versatile, and always ready, it's your extra hand on the go. Made from grippy platinum silicone with stainless steel stud links, the Infinity tool cinches and secures nearly anything. With 70 pounds of pull strength per wrap, you can stack the wraps for even greater holding power. Completely modular, these straps link end-to-end for larger tasks and can even be cut to custom sizes. Each 4-pack includes 2 8-inch and 2 16-inch tools in your choice of black or glacier. Experience razor-sharp performance in a compact design with the KeyUnity Mini Titanium Pocket Knife. With its foldable design, measuring just 1.73 by 0.43 by 0.2 inches and weighing only 6 grams, this ultralight pocket knife is built for portability without compromising functionality. Equipped with a convenient hanging hole, it easily attaches to your keychain, carabiner, or EDC gear, ensuring quick access whenever you need it. Perfect for opening packages, cutting rope, or slicing fruit on the go, this versatile mini knife is a must-have for camping, hiking, fishing, or everyday carry. Crafted from TC4 titanium alloy with a sleek sandblasted finish, this compact tool combines durability with a premium look and feel. Designed for practicality, it features a concealed storage compartment that holds 4 double-ended bits and a pencil tip, covering 9 essential sizes for everyday tasks. Equipped with 2 magnetic bit holders, the tip design handles low-torque jobs with ease, while the horizontal head delivers extra power for high-torque applications. Each bit is made from premium S2 steel, offering outstanding hardness and toughness for long-lasting reliability. Keep your everyday carry essentials neat and protected with the VIPERADE Pocket Organizer. Made from tough 500D polyester with a wear-resistant PVC coating and reinforced stitching, it's built to last through daily use. The angled pocket design can hold at least 3 tools, like a mini flashlight, pocket knife, or tactical pen, while the large top pocket fits a 3.5 by 5.5-inch notebook or a phone up to 6.5 inches. A MODL plug-in system keeps clip tools secure, and a rear zippered pocket provides extra space for coins, cards, or small documents. With separate compartments, this organizer prevents tools from scratching each other and keeps your gear easy to access. See more while carrying less with the HDAJY Mini Monocular Telescope. Measuring just 3.7 inches long and under an inch in diameter, it's compact, lightweight, and slips easily into your pocket for adventures on the go. Perfect for hiking, birding, mountaineering, concerts, sports, and sightseeing, this mini monocular is great for both adults and kids. Built with a durable metal barrel and rubberized exterior, it's strong enough for everyday use. Plus, its waterproof and moisture-proof design means it stands up to rain, humidity, and tough outdoor conditions. Carry everyday utility in the size of a credit card with the SnyderTools Wallet Shim. Slim and lightweight, it fits right in your wallet or pocket, so it's always there when you need it. Made in the USA from durable stainless steel, this handy tool is built to last while staying compact and portable. Perfect as a stocking stuffer, birthday gift, or Father's Day surprise, the Wallet Shim is a practical gadget that's easy to use and ready in a pinch. Get 11 tools in one compact design with the Eggeil EDC Multi. Featuring a bottle opener, pocket knife, flat and cross screwdrivers, inch and centimeter rulers, multiple hex sockets, SIM card needle, nail cleaner, and nail file, it's ready for any adventure. At just 2.36 by 0.59 inches and weighing only 0.08 pounds, this space-saving tool folds neatly for easy carry. Clip it to a carabiner, attach it to your keychain, or even slip it into your wallet for maximum convenience. Designed for smooth operation, every function is easy to use, whether you're opening bottles, tightening screws, or making quick fixes outdoors. Stay prepared with the Atomic Bear Rebel Tactical Pen, a discreet self-defense tool that writes smoothly like a regular pen, but doubles as a powerful Kubotan-style weapon when needed. With its ultra-hard glass-breaking tip, it's built for emergencies and everyday protection. Crafted from tough military-grade aluminum, this pen is lightweight, durable, and balanced for a strong grip and maximum striking power. It includes 2 ink cartridges and is compatible with Parker, Fisher Space, Write in the Rain, and other refills, making it practical for daily use. Stay prepared in emergencies with the BATTLBOX Bracelet, a discreet and powerful vehicle safety tool. This wearable escape device features a tungsten striker bead that can shatter tempered glass with just a single strike, helping you escape quickly from confined spaces. More than just a bracelet, it also includes an advanced handcuff key, designed to open cuffs with advanced security features like blocking blades and oversized pins. Lightweight, adjustable, and easy to wear, the bracelet is made with durable elastic and a tungsten bead for strength and portability. Upgrade your gear with the RovyVon TI Firefly Pro, a glowing titanium bead designed for visibility, durability, and style. Its glow-in-the-dark effect makes it easy to spot your EDC items in low-light conditions, whether it's your keys, knife, or backpack. Crafted from premium titanium, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear while remaining lightweight, so it won't weigh down your carry. Compact, tough, and functional, the Firefly Pro is the perfect blend of utility and design for your everyday essentials. The RovyVon TI Firefly Pro, durable titanium, glow-in-the-dark visibility, and effortless portability in one sleek EDC upgrade. Carry your essentials with ease using the UltraTac Deep Carry Pocket Clip Nano. Crafted from bright finished stainless steel with smooth arc chamfering, it's safe to handle and built to last. Compact yet versatile, this clip is perfect for securing keys, flashlights, Swiss Army knives, flash drives, and more. Its easy-to-grab open-tip design makes attaching and removing items quick and effortless. Measuring just 7 millimeters wide and 41 millimeters long, and equipped with a durable stainless steel split ring, it's the perfect lightweight solution for organizing your everyday carry. Equipped with a powerful magnetic head and base, it easily retrieves dropped nuts, bolts, and screws, while the strong base allows for hands-free use on any metal surface. This multi-purpose tool is perfect for automotive repairs, HVAC, camping, fishing, home improvement, and more. Its telescoping neck extends up to 22 inches and flexes 360 degrees, making it easy to reach tight spaces. With 3 super bright LED lights and extra batteries included, it's built to illuminate dark crawl spaces, attics, and hard-to-reach corners. Get 18 tools in one compact design with the Vickay Snowflake Multitool, featuring screwdrivers, hex wrenches, a bottle opener, and even a box cutter. It's a versatile gadget that's always ready when you need it. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel using MEM injection molding, this multi-tool is polished, rounded, and built to last. It's corrosion-resistant and tough enough for everyday use indoors or outdoors. Lightweight at just 3.35 ounces, it slips easily into your pocket, bag, or attaches to your keychain for on-the-go convenience. Tackle any task with the Grandway Mini Multi-Tool Knife, a compact 12-in-1 tool designed for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. This versatile multi-tool includes spring-loaded pliers, a wire cutter and stripper, folding knife, serrated blade, bottle opener, metal file, screwdrivers, scoring blade, and even a saw-like blade with chisel teeth, all packed into one lightweight design. Crafted from durable 420 stainless steel with aluminum skeleton handles, it's strong yet lightweight at just 3.5 ounces and 4.3 inches long. The skeleton handle design reduces weight while maintaining durability. Upgrade your everyday carry with the MURADIN metal aluminum wallet, a slim, tactical-style wallet designed for security, durability, and convenience. Built with an aviation-grade aluminum frame and anodized finish, it combines strength with a sleek, modern look. The smooth chamfer design adds both elegance and durability, making it a standout minimalist wallet. Equipped with RFID blocking technology, it protects your cards from electronic theft while keeping everything organized. Its unique spring-lock design lets you access cards quickly and easily, holding up to 12 cards and 1 to 5 bills in a compact 4.2 by 3 by 0.7 inch frame. Light your fire every time with the Survive Permanent Match, the ultimate matchless fire starter for camping, grilling, or emergencies. Compact and portable, it measures just 2.4 inches and weighs only half an ounce, making it easy to carry in your pocket, on a keychain, or clip to your backpack. Unlike regular matches, this waterproof, windproof, and stormproof design works in all weather conditions, even when wet or cold, so you're never without a flame. Perfect for campfires, stoves, barbecues, or survival kits, this reusable match is a smart and reliable tool for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness. Take on any adventure with the Jueachy Tactical Backpack, built tough, durable, and ready for action. Made from high-quality, tear-resistant nylon, this rugged 30-yeller pack is waterproof to protect your gear in unpredictable weather. Its MODL system design lets you easily attach knives, pouches, and other accessories, while the included US flag patch adds a bold touch. With multiple compartments, including a laptop sleeve, zippered pockets, and side bottle holders, it offers plenty of space to organize all your essentials. Comfortable padded straps and a foamed back panel reduce fatigue, while adjustable chest and waist straps provide stability when fully loaded. Simplify your everyday carry with the TISUR titanium key rings. Crafted for durability, ease and peace of mind. Featuring an innovative side push pump design, these key rings make adding or removing keys effortless. No more broken nails or fiddling with stiff metal loops. Made from high-quality titanium, they're 4 times stronger than stainless steel, yet incredibly lightweight, so they add no bulk to your keychain. The flexible design quickly snaps back into shape, keeping your keys and EDC gear secure without the worry of slipping or falling off. Each set includes a 33mm ring plus 4 22mm rings, giving you versatile options for organizing keys, carabiners, tools, or small gadgets. Meet the Kizer Drop Bear 2 Pocket Knife, a compact, lightweight EDC designed for everyday reliability and outdoor performance. Featuring a 2.85-inch Nitro V steel blade, it brings excellent hardness, corrosion resistance, and sharpness retention, perfect for precision cutting, piercing, and detailed tasks. The ergonomic micarta handle adds both rugged style and a secure grip in any condition, ensuring durability and comfort. With its clutch lock mechanism, you'll enjoy smooth, one-handed operation and safe blade closure, while thoughtful details like spine jimping, a finger choil, and a deep carry reversible pocket clip take control and convenience to the next level. Stay prepared and stylish with the waxed canvas EDC Pocket Organizer, the ultimate pouch for your everyday essentials. Measuring 7 by 5 inches, this compact organizer is perfect for carrying a small notebook or phone, along with tools like a knife, pen, flashlight, or cache. Built from water-repellent waxed canvas with genuine full-grain leather trim and reinforced stitching, it keeps your gear safe, dry, and secure. Designed for portability, it's slim enough to slide easily in and out of your pocket, yet spacious enough to keep everything neatly organized. With multiple slots and a zipper pocket for cards or money, this rugged pouch is ideal for daily carry, outdoor use, or tactical organization. Upgrade your everyday carry with the TISUR Titanium Quick Release Swivel Keychain, designed for strength, convenience, and versatility. Made from premium titanium, this detachable keychain is built to handle up to 20 pounds, keeping your keys, tools, or even fishing gear secure at all times. The innovative quick-release system allows you to easily attach or detach items by aligning the holes and pressing the release button. Safe, simple, and reliable without accidental openings. Featuring a smooth 360-degree swivel, it prevents twisting or tangling, making it perfect for car keys, EDC gadgets, outdoor tools, or travel gear.